Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to upscale your images to super resolution with Phosus. So, let's get started. Let's kickstart this journey by opening your web browser and navigating to Phosus.com. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry. I recommend watching my video on how to get started with Phosus for a seamless account setup. However, if you're already an existing user, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Since I'm already logged in, let's dive straight into the action. Click on the dashboard button conveniently located in the upper right corner of the screen. Now, behold your dashboard to Creative Hub where you can work your magic on images. As you can see, there's a variety of powerful tools at your disposal. Head over to the left sidebar and click on Tools, or just scroll down. So, I'll just scroll down and then you will find the gem we are looking for, Super Resolution. Click on Super Resolution and you'll find yourself on the threshold of image enhancement. It's time to take one of your photos to the next level. You can either click to upload your image or simply drag and drop it right into the designated area. Select the image you want to upscale. Now, the magic begins. You are presented with a choice, 2K or 4K upscale. The higher the resolution, the more detailed your image will be. Choose the one that suits your needs and then click Proceed. Here's where patience comes into play. The processing time depends on your internet speed. If you are blessed with a high-speed connection, the transformation will happen in the blink of an eye. However, slower connections may require a tad more patience. And there you have it, your image has been upscaled to a stunning resolution. Take a moment to admire the newfound details and clarity. But wait, there's one more step, the download. Just click the download button and your enhanced image will be saved to your device. Keep in mind that each download consumes some credits, so use them judiciously. And that's a wrap. You have successfully enhanced your image to super resolution using Phosus. It's an invaluable tool whether you are a photography enthusiast, a professional graphic designer, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of a high-resolution image. So, go ahead and explore the possibilities of image enhancement with Phosus. It is a game changer in the world of digital imagery. Enjoy your creative journey and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and until next time.